Alright, I welcome you to another interesting part of our 1688 China importation, and in this part of the training you are going to see how to check out your selected product from 1688 app. So let's begin. So first thing first, let's go to your 1688 app. Now when you want to check out, you must have selected all the products, you must have added all the products into the cart. So you just have to click on cart. You don't need to continue searching since you have them all. Now let's say you want to buy from all this supplier at the same time. So you have two products or more in your cart, just like this. Now you want to buy them once and for all. So for you to do that, you just have to tap on the on the supplier link right here. So this is supplier 1 that has been ticked, and this is supplier 2, tick on that. Then that is 2 supplier. Then we can add another supplier right here. So you buy from, this simply means that you are trying to buy from 3 different suppliers and you are making the payment once. Now for you to check out and make the payment, you just need to click on here. So right now you can see all the products that we have added to cart. So this is the supplier 1. We have about 3 supplier 2 and the supplier 3. Okay, so right here you can see the amount we are paying. It's going to be right here. So for you to make payment, just need to click on here and then you connect with your Alipay and you make the payment successfully. So this is how you can check out from 1688 and add many suppliers and buy from them once and for all. I hope you get this video. If you have any question for me, let me know. If you don't have any question, let's go to the next lecture. Thanks for watching. Bye.